Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another day we get to finish working on this Porsche. Probably not, because we still got a lot of work ahead of ourselves. But Michael got the interior looking really good. The seatbelts, like all these little touches, making it one of a kind. Today I'm gonna keep doing what I took apart. So I got the side glasses to put together. I got a lot of stuff I got to put together. You know,
back panel,
there's
side.
Rear. The exhaust came in. The control arms came in. So there's a lot of stuff we got to do. A lot of little tedious there and there, probably bounce around. But hopefully we can drive this thing out of here with the control arms now and the spacers and everything else. And then we got to start bleeding this thing.
Yep.
But sounds like fun.
Yep.
So enough talking and start working. All right, so we got the rear control arms on. So now we can drive this thing. It's gonna be good. Since we're working on the rear, might as well finish it up. We got the exhaust right here before we put all the plastics in and wheel covers. Let's unbox the exhaust, get that installed, because it's pretty loud being straight pipe right now. Let's check out what we got. I gotta say, that's a lot quieter. It sounds pretty good. Got a little bit of steam burning off, but Honestly, it went together very easily. So let's put the wheels back on and maybe we'll try to drive it. All right, so we got these louvers, double-sided sticky tapes, so hopefully they're gonna be sticking. But next thing I wanna do is actually just try to put this bumper together and go from there. All right, so we got the bumper mostly together. So this is clipping in. This, you just gotta let it warm up a little bit. This will pop in, no problem. And I got this one in, but the way they have it mounted, I'm gonna have to get some extra bolts so we can finish up this side. But that is looking really good too. So let's go ahead and put it on the car. All right, so this thing's coming along really nicely. The bumper's on there. We still got a couple more things to put together, but since we got it all together, might as well and go ahead and put some coolant in this thing, try to bleed this thing, we're gonna first put some water, we'll see what it does, and then we'll go from there, and then maybe go drive it outside and give it its first wash, because it's been a minute. So all this dirtiness, plus we still got the roof to paint. But let's go ahead and put some coolant in this thing, double check the oil again, because it's been a minute, but we'll go from there. All right, just like that, we washed this thing. The sad part is the sun is not out because this color would be blasting. It would be looking really good. But definitely washed up, really nice. Next thing we could probably do is go inside the shop and start sanding the roof. We got the hood we got to sand, we got a lot of stuff. And also when I drove, this side is making a lot of noise. So I don't know if it's the axle or something's not loose or something, who knows. We got to definitely check that out. Also, we got to lower this thing. It still needs to go down a little bit more to kind of make it sit a lot flusher or cleaner. We still got a lot of brackets in here. I tried bleeding it, we're still not getting hot air. So we're gonna try to bleed the system a little bit more. But this thing's coming along nice. All right guys, so I was about to paint this hood and I remembered I probably had to jam it out. I still gotta go get the paint. The time is running really quick, but leave us a comment down below, you guys. The color, the combination of the car, it's coming together really nicely. I really need to check out the suspension, but we'll do that next time. Time's flying, time's moving really quick, but we'll catch you guys next time.